Hello kids, today we are learning vehicles name. Bus, bus, oil tanker, oil tanker, cargo ship, cargo ship, forklift, forklift, dump truck, dump truck, paraglider, paraglider, bulldozer, bulldozer, skateboard, skateboard, fire truck, fire truck, train, train, tractor, tractor, excavator, excavator, subway, subway, scooter, scooter, boat, boat, ship, ship, micro, micro, lorry, lorry, aeroplane, aeroplane, helicopter, helicopter, auto rickshaw, auto rickshaw, mixer, mixer, taxi, taxi, ambulance, ambulance, motorcycle, motorcycle, bicycle, bicycle, police car, police car, school bus, school bus, truck, truck, van, van, car, car, caravan, caravan, crane, crane, carriage, carriage, air hot balloon, air hot balloon,